matter, Sydney? You look like you've seen a ghost.
What's your favorite scary movie?
Hey Spoops, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. So today I'm going to be showing you how you can turn yourself into this Billy Loomis inspired makeup look from Scream. Scream is such an iconic horror movie, and I've been wanting to turn myself into some of the main characters from the movie, so I will have the other tutorials linked down below for you guys to check out as well. This is part of my Halloween series, so if you're not already, definitely make sure that you are subscribed to my YouTube channel because I'm going to be uploading a new Halloween themed makeup tutorial every weekday for the entire month of October, and you definitely don't want to miss out what I have planned. This is also my 5th year doing this, so I will have my Halloween playlist linked down below for you guys to check out some more of my other Halloween characters that I've turned myself into to help give you guys some ideas to celebrate the spooky season. So anyways, with that being said, if you guys are interested in seeing how you can turn yourself into this Billy Loomis inspired makeup look, then just keep watching. Hey guys, so to get started, I'm going to be popping in some brown contact lenses before moving on to my face. I'm going to be taking my Fenty Skin sunscreen and applying this all over my face because I really love to use this as a moisturizer. I'm then going to be taking my Buckle Bunny Beauty Sheer Perfection Primer and applying that all over my face before going into my Becca Cosmetics Under Eye Highlight and applying this under my eyes to help brighten that area. Now, since that is a little pale for me, I'm going to be taking my Milani Supercharged Concealer in Peach and applying this under my eyes as well to help add a little bit more warmth. I'm then going to be taking my MAC Cosmetics Strobe Cream and applying this to my cheekbones to give a little bit of glow under my foundation. And for my foundation, I'm taking my Anastasia Beverly Hills Luminous Foundation in the color 220N, and I'm going to be applying that all over my face with my IT Cosmetics Airbrush Blurring Foundation Brush. I'm then going to be taking my Buckle Bunny Beauty Cream to Powder Foundation in Mocha and applying this to the areas that I would like to contour. So this is going to be under my cheekbones, my temples, my forehead, and my jawline, and then I'm just going to be softly blending that out so that we don't have any harsh lines. I'm then going to be taking my ColourPop No Filter Concealer in number 14, and I'm going to be using this as a highlight. So I'm going to be applying this to my forehead, under my eyes, my Cupid's bow, and my chin, and then allowing that to set a little bit before blending that out. I'm going to go ahead and set that with my Airspun Translucent Powder, and then we're going to be moving on to my eyebrows. I'm going to be taking these brow products, and to start off, I'm taking my NYX Precision Brow Pencil in black and just going ahead and softly filling in my eyebrows. I'm then going to be taking my Buckle Bunny Beauty Loretta Brow Wow, and I'm going to be using this to darken the tail of my brow before setting all of my brow hairs with my Benefit Cosmetics 24-Hour Brow Setter. I'm going to be going into my KVD Shade and Light palette, and I'm going to be taking this contour color and I'm going to be applying this to the areas that we applied the cream contour. Not only is this going to help give my face some more depth and dimension, but it's also going to help set that cream contour from earlier as well. Next, I'm going to be bronzing my face with my Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer, and I'm going to be applying this over top of the areas that we contoured. This is going to help give a little bit more warmth back to my face, and I'm going into this Banana Highlight color from my KVD Beauty palette. I'm going to be applying this to the center of my face. For my blush, I'm taking my ColourPop Enchanted Mirror Blush, and I'm going to be applying this to the apples of my cheeks before going into my Revlon Skin Lights Prismatic Highlighter and applying this to my cheekbones. Next, we're going to be moving on to eyes. I'm going to be taking my Smashbox 24-Hour Photo Finish Primer and applying this all over my eyelids. I'm then going back into my highlighter, and I'm going to be using this to highlight my brow bone, and I'm even going to be applying this to the inner corner of my eyes as well to help brighten my tear ducts. I'm then going to be going into my ColourPop Wild Nothing palette, taking Crystal Love, and I'm going to be using this to apply all over my eyelids before going into my ColourPop Disney Designer It's a Princess Thing palette, taking Triton. I'm going to be starting off at the outer corner of my eyelids and softly blending that in towards the inner corner of the crease as well. And then you also want to bring this color down to your lower lash line as well. We're then going to start to create the illusion of some dark circles and eye bags. So we're just going to be taking a little bit of that color on a brush, softly tapping off the excess and using that to blend downwards under our eyes. And make sure you use a blending brush too, because you definitely don't want to have any harsh lines. You just want this to be a nice, soft, dark circle. Next, I'm going to be taking Come Together, and I'm going to be applying this to the outer corner of my eyes and just softly blending that into the crease. And like the other color, we're also going to bring this down to our lower lash line as well. And feel free to incorporate this color into your eye bags as well. And I'm going to be taking No Bounds, and I'm going to be lightly applying this to my upper lash line, making sure to just softly blend it out. And I'm going to be applying it to my lower lash line, once again making sure to blend it out. This is just going to help accentuate our eyes a little bit more, and then I'm just going to be lightly using patting motions to blend that into my crease and use this color for the dark shadows under my eyes. Once again, making sure to softly blend this out. You want this to look very natural. I'm then going to be prepping my eyelashes by curling them before going in with my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, and I'm just going to be sweeping this through my upper and lower eyelashes. For my false eyelashes, I decided to go with my Miami Lily lashes, and I absolutely love how they looked with this makeup tutorial. Of course, lashes are optional, but I really thought it helped glam up this look just a little bit more. I'm then going to be taking my ColourPop Lippy Pencil in Beeper, and I'm going to be going ahead and outlining my lips to prep them for my lip color. I'm going to be taking my ColourPop Lippy Sticks in Aquarius, and I'm just going to be applying this all over my lips before going in with my Fenty Beauty Pro Kisser Luscious Lip Balm in Latte Lips, just to give it a little bit more of a natural sheen. For the blood, I'm taking my Ben Nye Stage Blood, and I'm just going to be taking a little wedge sponge, and I'm going to be using this to apply the fake blood over my jawline and bringing it down to my neck. I also went ahead and applied this to my shirt as well. I got this shirt from TJ Maxx, and I absolutely loved it for this look. I think it was the perfect shirt for Billy. I wanted to get one that was kind of cable knit like his, and then I'm just going to be making sure to splatter that blood all over it. I'm then going to be taking some of my John Frieda Frizzy's Secret Weapon Touch-Up Cream, and I'm going to be just applying this through my fingers and running this through my hair and my bangs. I want to make it look a little bit greasy and oily without it looking too gross. I just wanted to make sure to just be able to separate the hairs a little bit. And last but not least, make sure to apply some fake blood to your hand as well. And that is the completed Billy Loomis inspired makeup look from Scream. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed it. Leave a comment down below what you'd like to see next. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more of my Halloween videos. Also, if you haven't already, please consider supporting me on Patreon. You can support me for as little as $1 a month and receive all exclusive behind the scenes sneak peeks of upcoming characters and makeup tutorials before anybody else, along with tips and tricks as well. So once again, thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed it. And with all of that being said, I will see you guys in the next one. Bye! Hey Spoops, cutting in for a minute to tell you how you can enter in my Halloween giveaway worth over $200, where one of you will be winning all of these Halloween makeup goodies. This giveaway is going on from October 1st to October 31st at midnight, aka like November 1st at midnight, like in between, that in between space, that one. So in order to enter into my giveaway, you first need to be subscribed to my YouTube channel. Next is to leave a comment on my 2021 Halloween makeup tutorials. My Halloween makeup tutorials that I'm going to be uploading this month, it's ideally going to be one every weekday for the entire month of October, which comes out to 21 makeup tutorials. They are the tutorials that I'm going to be selecting the winner from. And the way that I'm going to be doing it is 21 makeup tutorials. I'm going to number them 1 through 21 and have a random number generator select a random number between 1 and 21, and I'm going to select that video associated with that number and have a random comment generator select a comment from that video. You can most definitely comment on all of my videos, and that gives you the best chance of entering, because that way you consistently have a comment on every single video, so that way whenever the video is picked randomly, you are definitely entered in that area. Third is you definitely need to make sure that whenever you leave a comment, this is very important, that you leave your Instagram handle tagged in the comment. I'm going to be DMing the winner through Instagram, so definitely make sure that your profile is public on Halloween, so that way I can DM you and let you know that you won, but I will need to be able to find you. If I click on your comment, I'm gonna need to be able to find you, so please leave your Instagram handles in the comments whenever you leave a comment throughout the entire month, just because I want to be able to message you and let you know that you won, because otherwise I won't really have a way to get a hold of you. And last but not least, this is unfortunately only open to US residents only. This is the first giveaway that I am doing. I would really love to open it up internationally in the future. However, because this is the first giveaway, I want to make sure that it goes well, so I'm going to leave it US only for now, and then hopefully in future giveaways I can make it international. And because I'm not sure if I need to say this or not, no purchase is necessary in order to enter to win, and we will only be having one winner for all of these fun Halloween goodies. So I'm so excited. Once again, thank you guys so much for supporting me, and back to the video.